Light here, and today we're going to do a fun makeup again. It's been a long while since I've tried to challenge myself again with makeup. So this afternoon we're going to do a almost full. Majority of the products I'm going to use is more on lipstick. So the only thing that I'm not going to use is the foundation eventually, and primer, the base or the moisturizer, and powder. Other than that, everything will be in lipstick, lip tint, or lip gloss, any of those. So if you want to know how it goes, keep on watching. Base, I'm going to use a product from L'Oreal. It's Magic Perfecting Base. I'm going to put Olay Eyes. It's an eye lifting serum. For the primer, I'm going to use CoverGirl Face Primer for dry skin. For the foundation, I'm going to use by Maybelline Superstay in the shade 310 Sand Beach. The powder I'm going to use by NYC in the shade, what's the shade? Natural Beige. NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder. Okay, for the brows, I'm going to use by Hanwoo. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko alam. Basta ano. Retractable brow. Conceal like that. For the contour, I'm going to use Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Java 532. Ta-da! The fun part, we're going to put eyeshadow now sa iyang mga mata. I'm going to, for the crease, I'm going to use this Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Suede in the shade Runway 015. Oh, sa crease na guys. Corners of the eye here, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Last Stained Glass Lip Gloss. Wow, the name is Reflective Kisses, shade 111445. corners here. I'm going to use Still by Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Dark Pink Frost 530D. Ta-da! Blush. Blush. I'm going to use Still by Wet n Wild. Sorry guys ha, mas damo ko Wet n Wild na lipstick. Wet n Wild in the shade Rosebud 904B. By Physicians formula is of course black. Waterline here. I'm going to use still by Physicians formula. It is silver. To highlight her face, I'm going to use this by NYX Cosmic Metals. It's actually a lip cream. Going to try to highlight. Go for the lips. I'm going to use Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 05. It off with this NYC. What is this? It's a lip gloss, but in the shade Lilac 457. It's a lip. Mascara by Maybelline Clear Transparent Great Lash. Is we're going to set it by setting spray by Hello Gorgeous. Hello. Tapos po naging mild ang makeup look na almost everything I've used is lipstick, lip gloss, lip tint. Nag-challenge ako pero amo niya resulta. Hindi no, hindi man siya wala no, yung lipstick tanan nang ginamit ko kay to ka-even man sa pag-distribute. In fairness, nami ang turnout, nakibot ako nga pwede, galing, yung puro tanan, halos, lipstick ang gamitin mo. So, good alternative. Wala ka sa mga eyeshadow, wala ka siyang pang blush, wala ka siyang pang contour. Kung may dark color ka lang ang lipstick, pwede na siya. Kung pwede mo siya magamit sa eyeshadow, pwede mo siya pang contour, pwede i-blush. And of course, ang very purpose it is a lipstick. So, ano ang mahambal ninyo sa iya ng makeup? I hope you like it. And for those who haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next makeup look. Bye! God bless everyone!